In this video, I am going to teach you how to add zip code to Vanilla gift card. So, if you want to add zip code on your Vanilla gift card, I actually have in here an article that can help us with this part. So, first things first, you need to head over to vanillabalance.com/shoulder and then input right here your card number, expiration date, CVC2, and answer the CAPTCHA and then log in. So if you want to actually add right here, what you can do is you can use your vanilla gift card for purchase. However, if the system prompts you to enter a zip code and you're confused, the good news is that there's a perfect solution and you don't need to worry. So certain purchases require a registered gift code. So as a security measure, merchants to prevent fraud. So this vanilla gift card can be used for online shopping, in-store purchases, bill payments. And however, it differs from bank debit cards because they do not have a linked bank account, do not require credit checks or PIN setup, and do not come with preset billing address. So where does the zip code come from if it doesn't have a billing address? So, for online retailers, subscription services, and gas stations, AVS requires a matching zip code to approve a transaction. So, it is to prevent fraudulent transactions and ensure the cardholder is the rightful user and also reduce payment errors when billing details do not match. So, in this, you can just link a zip code to the vanilla gift card and you can reduce the risk of fraud and increase acceptance rates and ensure a smoother checkout process. Now, in order to add, you can register your gift code or your zip code online by going over to the website, entering your details as well as your security code or CVV, and then find the register zip code option. And then enter the zip code that you want to associate with your card, and you can just confirm your entry and then save your changes. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.